Hi everybody, welcome to our Wepco tour. Wepco Plastics is a manufacturing company. In plastics manufacturing, we make some of your everyday items all the way to your favorite toys like Lego train tracks. I'd like to show you around so you can follow me. We're about to begin our tour, but first, we have a little game to play. Keep an eye out in each clip for a bright orange Wepco phone holder. If you can find the phone holder all 3 times, send us a message with those locations and your name will be entered into a drawing for a Wepco swag bag.
So, my name is Steven Cronenberger. I am the product and mold designer here at Wepco. And what I do is I take an idea and then I make it become a reality. So, I'm the one who designed this iPhone holder or phone holder. So what I did is I came up with an idea for it, and then I brought it onto the computer and I made it. So what I did was I just designed it, and that's what we start with. We start with an idea. If a customer comes to us and they have an idea for something, I help them figure it out by using our 3D software to design it. And then once they're happy with it and they're ready to move on to creating a mold, what I do is I then take that part and we split it into 2 halves. So as you can see, this pink part right here, that is the core of the part, and that is the cavity. So we like to think in reverse. When I'm creating something, I'm just making it as it is, but then when I have to mold, we have to mold it and I have to make a mold design for it, you have to think in reverse and you have to split the part into 2 halves. So then I take those 2 halves and we cut it into metal, aluminum, and you cut it into a frame like this. So if you can see down here, this inside part is what the core was, and this top part is what the cavity is. And those 2 plates come together, plastic flows in, very hot, melted, and then it cools, we eject it off and we get this. So what's the most fun thing for me is that every day it's something new. I'm always making things up every day, and I get to just play around every day, which is kind of the best part of design.
Hey everybody, welcome to the tooling department here at Wepco Plastics. My name is Jeff Meyer and I run the tooling department. So this is where we make ideas happen. So this is basically the raw material we use, aluminum. We sometimes use S7, which is steel, and we take raw blocks and we actually put them in the machines and cut them to shape to produce our end product, which is a plastic part. So we use machines, milling centers that we have over here. We have 3 of them, and I'll program the machine to cut the actual shapes that we're looking to accomplish. So basically after the whole cutting in the milling centers, we come up with our end product, our end mold, which produces plastic parts. These 2 halves come together. They get set up in a molding machine, which you will learn about later. They separate and a plastic part comes out. It's really a cool process, and if any of you are ever interested for working with me, please do. See ya.
Hi, welcome to the molding room. So today we're here with one of our medium-sized molding machines, and we'll trace the path of the plastic that runs through it. All starts here in the hopper, where we load up all of our plastic pellets. They come down and feed into this long hot tube where they turn into molten plastic, and then that molten plastic is injected into our mold right here. The mold then opens, pushes out the part, closes, and it all starts over again. So this is the final product, but it used to look like this.
Thank you for joining us on our tour of Wepco Plastics today. We cannot wait to have you all back in our shop, in person, in front of our team. If you would like to stay connected, check out our social media posts from the past few months where we offer STEM activities for you and your families to complete at home.